Hey everybody, today is October 9th, ninth day of Starving for Justice to bring attention to the broken family court system and just the broken anything to do with family system out there. Today was kind of rough for me. I'm not sure why. Maybe it's just because I'm in the second week, so I'm finally running out of whatever I was running on, but this was the first day that I had trouble standing up, where my head would get really dizzy, but it would, if I did it slowly, it would stabilize, and I did okay. But I was hungry all day again today, and I don't know what that's about, because I hadn't really had that many hunger pains for a while. So it was a struggle today. But someone, and she's awesome, but I don't know if I'm allowed to use her name because I never know when I'm supposed to be using people's names or not in this particular circle. But she gave me the great suggestion of putting some fiber in my yummy water and soda water and apple cider vinegar. And so I did that, and it really helped the hunger. It just settled it right down, made me feel full. So I'm really grateful. There's like 5 calories, I think, maybe 15 in this one little scoop of fiber that I put in there, all from carbs. So that was great, and I was really excited about it. Not really excited about it, but I was just really relieved because it was distracting, and I had a lot to do today. I was really busy today, just with lots of other things, and just, life catches up with you. But I just want everybody to know that I'm in there. I'm still hanging in. We're working hard to try and find a way to promote, to get some mainstream media attention so that we can just promote the hunger strike. I've spoken with a PR firm, and they're just, it's like hiring an attorney, right? They do good work, and it's really hard work, but you can only afford them if you're some big business and you can afford to pay. So we're trying to figure that out. I have been emailing all kinds of different agencies and different celebrities and whatever, just trying to get a bite. There was a great article apparently out in the Vanity Fair today about Kelly Rutherford's case, and I haven't had a chance to read it yet. I want to, because more than one person has said I need to read it, and maybe everybody should read it, but that may be an avenue. I don't know. But otherwise, my weight this morning was 149, so I think that's good. I didn't lose any more, and actually, I'm up a half pound from yesterday, but I think that's just timing. And otherwise, don't have any other symptoms other than be kind of tired and weak and a little bit grumpy. I'm a little bit grumpy today, and feeling like I can't focus. Right, I have all these balls in the air and I can't keep track of them, but I otherwise feel good. So, and the shirts. So the shirts cost us $20. That's our cost. So I'm hoping we can sell them for $25 plus shipping, and that way we can take that $5 that we will get from the shirts and use them to fund the actual march, because we're going to have to buy signs and materials for signs and that kind of thing. So if you want a shirt, I'm happy to sell my shirts. We have small, medium, large, and extra large, and I am wearing a medium, and it fits nicely. So normally I wear a large, even, I don't think, because I've lost some weight, that this is, apparently they run a bit big, but if you want one, just I guess message me. I should set up something else to do. That's great. Message me, and I have you can make a payment through my Bridge to Justice website. You just go to Bridge #2 Justice, and you click on donations, and in the donations you can pay. If you can't give me a note there, and in the meantime, about who you are and where to send it, then send me an email to where you want me to send the shirt, and I will, and the size you want, and I'll send you a shirt. If I can set up a specific check out for it, I will. But I'm really, really dragging today, and I don't know that I'm going to get into it this evening. So I think that's it. That's my update for today. Thanks again. Everyone just continues to be awesome to me, and really, and there's a mom who is, I don't know if I'm allowed to say people's names, but there's a mom who's fasting with me. She's actually doing a modified hunger strike, and I really, if she watches this, she needs to come and put her name on the page and announce it herself, because she needs support too. She's doing it, modified, but still on a, something that most people wouldn't do. And she's doing it to support me. So we need to support her as well. And all that love and support and great stuff needs to go to her as well. So if she doesn't out herself tonight, I'm going to get a permission from her to out her tomorrow. And so we can all hang together, because although I would never ever encourage anyone to do a hunger strike, because there are really serious risks, and on top of that, it's really not a lot of fun. I still so appreciate the fact that she has decided on her own to do this and to show her support for this important cause, because it's so important. And let me say this one thing, although I'm already over 6 minutes. This has never been for me about my case, and it's not to me about one case. Right? I know that the Kelly Rutherford case is very compelling. I know the Shimoni case is very compelling. I think everybody's case to them is very compelling. The problem is that they're all compelling. They're all terrible. And we've had lots of media attention on these cases for years. The media isn't enough. We have to go to the next step. It has to go beyond. The media attention can't be the end goal. The end goal has to be, the media has to be the tool by which we get to the end goal. And to me, the end goal was to get enough signatures so that we could get attention to this problem. We could get someone to pay attention to this problem. And so apparently what's in the Vanity Fair article is that someone started a petition for Kelly Rutherford to get them to do something specific to Kelly Rutherford's case. And they got over, 100,000 signatures, or maybe they got the 100,000 signatures. And so they actually got the attention of the White House. Now, I can tell you as an attorney, what they were asking the White House to do is absolutely impossible, at least if you believe in this country and the separation of powers and the authority that government is limited by express provisions of how far their authority goes. The White House has no authority to give back Kelly Rutherford's children. It just doesn't. But the fact is that they got the White House's attention. Just think, if we could get 100,000 signatures, we could get the White House's attention. We could get their attention on this issue. And the White House does have tools, and it does have resources that it can bring to bear on this. It can do open investigations into the process by which things are going on in this course, and that's what we need. We don't need attention on these individual cases as much as we need attention on the consistent theme of these cases, which is an absolute failure to abide by the Constitution, a failure to afford due process, a failure to respect people's First Amendment rights. All these gag orders, they are all violations of your First Amendment rights. Using children as weapons, extorting children, using the children as extortion to get people to submit and to comply. That's a common theme. People think it's just happening to them, but I've heard that so many times it doesn't even faze me anymore. We need these signatures because these signatures can make a difference. It's not money that's going to change things. It's not even media attention that's going to change things. It is the signatures. So please, please, please devote an hour a day to trying to get people to sign this petition. And let's pick a celebrity. Okay, I'm going to pick one right now. I'm going to say, let's all target Ellen, because she's from my hometown, New Orleans, right? And she's awesome. Let's target her and get her to pay attention to this case, because she's like one of the sweetest people ever. So everybody on this list, right, on this work group, everybody send an email to Ellen. She's real easy to contact because that's how she is. Go to her website. I'll put the information up. And send her an email about this, all of us together, right? Let's all do that. And maybe we'll get her attention. And then if we can get her attention to promote the petition and tell people to go sign it, we'll get 100,000 signatures, and then we'll get some attention. Okay, that's my plan. I never told you my diabolical plan to make a change. These petitions do work if people actually understand the end goal, and the end goal is get enough people, get enough momentum, so that the people in positions of power and the people who still care a little bit have to say, that's a lot of people, and that means we need to pay attention. So I'm done ranting for the day. Another 12 minutes. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I hope you got this far. And I'm going to sign out. Thanks, everybody, for all your continued support, all the kindness. Promote the petition. Email Ellen and tweet her and do all the stuff that you have to do. And Pink, too. We should do Ellen and Pink because they're friends. And I love Pink. She's awesome. So do her, too. And maybe we get some movement on this, okay? All right, I'm out. I'm shutting up. See you later tomorrow. I'm good. Where's the off button? Bye.